Government has now introduced the Aparajita Women and Child Bill 2024 in the State Legislative Assembly. Now, this is, of course, by State Lord Minister Malai Ghatak, and the bill is now being discussed as well. State Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee has called this bill historic, and she's also called for justice from the CBI as far as the Arjikar case is concerned. In fact, the West Bengal Chief Minister has also raised the issue of Hathras and Unnao rapes in a call for stricter laws. And also in a strong statement, Mamta Banerjee now said that the Prime Minister has failed to protect the women of the country, calling for his resignation. The proposed legislation also seeks to impose death penalty on individuals convicted of rape if their crimes result in the victim's death or leave them in a vegetative state. Additionally, the bill also mandates time-bound investigations for rape cases and also includes penalties for unauthorized publication of court-related information in such cases. The BJP has now said that they are happy about the bill, but that stringent laws are already in place in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and that the state has failed in the implementation of these laws. My colleague Shreya is on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Shreya, this is of course a clamor about Aparajita Women and Child Bill. Give us more details about the details of the bill and also what it entails.
Well, of course, we see that the Aparajita bill has been tabled in the West Bengal Assembly today. Remember, Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee addressed the House while the bill was passed. Mamta Banerjee spoke about Hathras, Unnao and other incidents. She was drawing parallel with that the other incidents of rape and murder that is happening in the entire nation. And Mamta Banerjee says that there is a competition going on between the CPM and the BJP, who is the one opposition party in Bengal, says they don't want justice. It is our party who wants justice, and that is the reason why we are talking about a strict legislation. Remember, before this, Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee had written 2 letters to that of Prime Minister. In fact, Mamta Banerjee today in the House have mentioned so. She says that again, I have been asking for strict legislation. So this bill that has been tabled, the Aparajita bill, necessarily talks about giving capital punishment to the accused in rape and murder cases. But remember, as far as the opposition is concerned, the leader of the opposition in the House, Shubhendu Adhikari, have proposed certain amendments that are to be made in the bill. Shubhendu Adhikari says that police should take FIRs. If police refuses to take FIRs, in that case, action should be taken. So like that, there are 6 total points that Shubhendu Adhikari have raised and says that passing the bill is one part, but it has to be made sure that the bill is implemented. And Mamta Banerjee says that the bill will now go to the governor, who will have to sign and pass it over to the president. So as far as Chief Minister is concerned, today the bill has been passed, and Shubhendu Adhikari have also suggested certain amendments to the bill.